Hello everyone, so welcome back to another exciting video. Thank you for clicking to watch this particular one, and thank you to all my returning subscribers, those that have been following this Facebook monetization series I've been doing and talking about. So here I am to answer all the questions I have been seeing in my previous video about Facebook monetization. Okay, I am going to be answering all in this video. Hey guys, so I've been dropping a lot of videos about Facebook monetization, how I was able to monetize on Facebook. Like before, in June, Facebook started monetization in Nigeria, and when I did my first video, I had a lot of people doubting me. I'm so grateful that I have other persons who have also said they were able to monetize their own Facebook in Nigeria, not outside of Nigeria, in Nigeria. But right here, and I made a video, like I did a video showing you how to go about the setup. All you need to do, I'll still link that video here, and I'll do another one. Like I feel like I need to do another one right now, educating people how to go about setting up their Facebook monetization. So in some of my previous videos, I have people who are asking different questions, and I want to answer all your questions right now. And thank you for actually watching my video, and yes, I'll clarify everything you've been asking me about Facebook monetization. So somebody say I should teach how to make a page look professional. Well, for this, since I will have to be doing a lot of illustration, I'll do another video on this. So somebody say, for business pages, are we to be a business, are we to have, I believe that's what's wrong, are we to have a business dollar account with the business TIN number, or we should use our personal details for the TIN and dollar account? Yes, you can use your personal details, because for example, I have a page that before this Facebook monetization came to Nigeria, I have a page that someone helped me to monetize. I had an admin that helped me monetize this page on what's it called, who is abroad. He was in a monetized country, and the page was not even his name, but he was able to use his own name and TIN in his own country, and he used his PayPal account, and Facebook was paying to him. So yes, you can use your own, nothing is going to happen. All Facebook wants is that whatever information you are giving them, they are verifiable information. That is all Facebook needs. Yes. So another one is, I didn't see stars and subscription on my own monetization, though I'm not yet up to 5,000 followers yet. Okay, it will show when you go to your professional dashboard. Under monetization, you will see the different ways you can monetize Facebook. You can monetize your stars, you can monetize your subscriptions, you can monetize in-stream ads, you can monetize bonuses, and you can monetize your reels. These are the 5 ways you can monetize on Facebook. Now, if you are not eligible for anyone, you will see it not yet eligible. That is what you're going to be saying, not yet eligible. So once you start engaging your page by posting videos and you are more active, Facebook will start unlocking some, because there are some is by invitation, while some, especially for example like in-stream ads, you have to get up to 5,000 followers, and you must get 60,000 minutes within 60 days. You must have posted 5 videos within 30 days. Those are part of the requirements for gaining in-stream ads. For stars, I think stars is your engagement. Subscription is also your engagement. For reels, Facebook will invite you. Same thing with bonuses. But to meet up with this thing is just about engagement. How you engage your page determines how Facebook will see your seriousness and start unlocking some of these tools for you. So if you've not started engaging your page, you see that not yet eligible. That is what you're going to see them right. Okay, so now somebody say thank you for this. Okay, no, I've answered this question. Then the next is it only TIN that is needed for Nigerian Facebook monetization? Yes, your TIN and your dollar account, that is all you need. So I've done a video on how to get your TIN, the website you need to go to get your TIN. I will link that video in the description box so that you can also get it from that source. So somebody say, please ma, for someone who is planning to relocate to the UK in few weeks and the person intends to set up page there, Should the person still choose Nigeria as their country when imputing monetization details? No, you cannot impute Nigeria, because they will ask you for your SWIFT code when you are applying for this monetization. So you can't put country of residence Nigeria and you are giving them a UK bank account. Everything has to be in sync. So if you're relocating to the UK, I will advise you wait until you get there. Open your bank details, your dollar account or your PayPal. And of course, if you're using PayPal, you don't need SWIFT code, but if you're using bank details, you will need SWIFT code. So your country of residence has to be the UK, because everything has to tally. Your TIN has to tally with UK TIN, your account number has to tally with UK account number, and also your SWIFT code. Yes, that is it. So I hope I've answered that question. So somebody said, did you monetize yours in Nigeria? Because some people are saying this is a glitch from Facebook. Like I said in my previous video, Facebook cannot tell you that they will monetize from June and you will not say it is a network glitch. That cannot be a network glitch, because this is a brand. Facebook is a name. I don't think Facebook will put their integrity into jeopardy because of Nigeria. So since they have said it themselves, they are the ones doing it. This has nothing to do with glitch. This is it, because I've done mine, like I have done mine, and it has worked. And I'm sure there are so many other persons who have already started doing theirs and it is working. So I doubt if this is a glitch, because if this is a glitch, they will have returned it back. So they did this thing on Friday, right? This is 2 days after, and they've still ticked you reside in an eligible country. So if it's a network glitch will not last more than 2 hours, and they will have returned it back to you do not reside in an eligible country. Do you understand me? So this has nothing to do with glitch. Facebook has an integrity to protect, and they told you that they were going to monetize from June. There was one video I said this thing. I said they said from June. They didn't pick a specific date. That's why some people saw their eligibility faster than others. I know somebody who sent me a message that our own has not been ticked. I said just give Facebook from now to the end of July. You understand? This is something that is a process. You remember, Nigeria, we have a lot of Facebook users, so it's a process. But there is a glitch. I don't agree with that. I do not agree with that, because if it is a glitch, they will have corrected it, but it is still ticked, right? So I think that answers your question. Somebody say, I wish you see this. Yes, you are correct, which I can attest to. I have applied and I have been approved. Can you see that? I have applied and I have been approved. But my question now is, the video I posted is the video I posted not counting? Could it be because I have set up the payment account? It shows something like your in-stream ads has been disabled because of payout setup and start getting paid. Can I set up with a normal bank account? Will it work at all? How will I wait to receive TIN after you have sent a request ID email? Thanks for your time taking to make this update. Someone almost ran with my account, all in the name of they wanted to help me. Okay, this person is talking about he was able to set. Which one were you able to set up? Was it your stars? Now, just like I explained, there are 5 different ways you can earn money on Facebook: stars, subscription, in-stream ads, bonuses, and reels. So you will set up. Why they will still put that set up payment is because there are still some monetization tools that you have not met up with. So that set up payment will be there until, I think it will be until until you're eligible for all the different tools. That is what I think, because even on my own it is still there. And once you are meeting up with the requirements for everyone, they will be adding it to your tools. You just see them, they will be adding it to your tools. Stars was the first one that was added for me. The next was subscription. Then the next was in-stream ads. Are you seeing it? Then right now they've told me to set up my bonus. Now, because you are still setting up other monetization requirement, that set up your this thing will still be there. Now you're asking about tin. What you should do is watch my video on how to get your tin, how to get your tax identity number. For those who don't know what tin is, it means tax identification number. So when you get your tin, if you want to set up your in-stream ad, you will impute it. They will ask for your tin. Get your dollar account. I would advise you use dollar. Why dollar is better is if you're using naira, they will use the official rates. They won't use black market rates. So if official rate is saying 1,002, they will pay you that equivalent of that into your naira account. Advise you to use your dollar account. I've told you, just go to your bank and ask for additional account opening form, and you tick your dollar. You can even tick all, just tick all, because you never can tell what you will use, what might come up now that you need to be paid in pounds or you need to be paid in euro. So just tick all and open them. So I hope I've been able to answer your question. Yes. So the next is, my page has been monetized since this June, though it was 4/5. Now it's 5/5. So I hope it works. I'm going to set up now. Now, one other thing, sorry, let me go back to the other question this person asked about my videos are not counting. Let me explain it to you. Now you are monetized. Your video will start counting with the new videos. Your views or the money will start counting with the new views you're getting. Those old videos, except you still get views on them, that is when it will count for you. That is why Facebook, there's a lot of work. Content creators do not rest. Even the big skit makers, they keep posting videos. Why? Because you need to keep making money. It's not a once in a while thing. You have to keep posting videos every day, every 2 days, sometimes in a day you can post up to five videos, 7 videos, because you want money. If you want money, you need to put in, the algorithm needs to constantly see your videos so that they can be pushing your videos to the right audience. So for you saying that my old videos are not counting anymore, except you get views now on those. So if you had a 1 million views, maybe you had a video that gave you 1 million views before monetization, now that you have been monetized and that video is still on 1 million views, Facebook will not pay you for that old 1 million views, except that your 1 million views moves and starts growing, and 200,000 or maybe now gets 200,000 extra views. They will pay you for the 200,000 on top of that 1 million. So from 1.2 million views, the money that you will generate from that video is on top of the ones that, you understand, the one that you generated after you monetized. Can you see it? So I hope that explains it to you. That's why you don't stop. So not like I had 13 million views before monetization. Facebook will not pay you for those 13 million views. They will pay you for the views you generated from now that you have set up your monetization. Do you understand? So that is why you need to constantly keep making videos. So for this person that said, she said, hope everything is going to work. Why not? Everything is going to work very well. So somebody said they have asked me to set up my profile. Should I go ahead? My advice is for you to go ahead. But if you're scared, you can also hold on. Maybe you can wait for, maybe when people around you start setting up and everything about their own worked out very, very fine, then you can decide to set up your own. Like I said, if you have videos, if you watch my previous video, those that their own was ticked, you did not follow Facebook guideline. And even if they've ticked all your own, you have a video that is not your original content and you did not edit that video properly, go and delete the video, because they might bounce your request if they are scanning through your profile or page and they realize that you have a content that is not your own. They will tell you to reapply, that they've scanned you, our review, they found 1 or 2 issues, they want you to go and sort it out. So I'm sure you don't want that disappointment. You want once and for all. So if you want once and for all, go back to your page and go through everything all over again. So I think that is all. Very nice video. Thank you. Okay. Very nice, thank you. I did a video showing you how to get music, because a lot of people use just secular musicians, they put their music in their video. Please, I would advise you to take music from Facebook. Just like we have it on YouTube, where you can go to your YouTube studio, you go to the audio library there to get music, because you don't want to have any issue. But of course, if you're a big YouTuber, most of them use Epidemic Sound. But on Facebook, just go to your creator studio. How do you do that? So on your Facebook profile or page, just search creator studio. Once you search creator studio, click on it, you will see your creator studio will come out. Go to where you have sound collection. Under your sound collection, you can pick any kind. There are a lot of thousands of music, or even sound effects that are there that you can use without having any issues on Facebook. If you use music from there, you're not going to be having any copyright. Facebook is not going to send you a mail to tell you that their technology has seen that you did something wrong, all of that. You're not going to have any of that issue. If you still have any question for me, you can drop it in the comment section. I will do another video, because this Facebook monetization thing is what a lot of persons, there's still a lot of persons that don't know much about it for now. So yes, I've talked about tax identification number. I'll drop the link in the description box. How to set up in-stream ads, I'll drop the link in the description box, so that you will see how I went about doing my own, so you don't make any mistake. Yes, also, if your own is showing maybe they didn't tick you are following Facebook content policy, watch my previous video. I'll drop the link to that video too in the description box, so that you can go and see where you made mistake and how to correct that mistake, because I've seen people showing this, that so I'm going to drop the link to that video too in the description box. So I hope you've gotten value from this video. Please, I'm begging you, like this video. You can download it. You can also share it to your friends, who are having similar challenges, and I've answered some of their questions here. You can just send this video to them so they can watch it. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications, so that when I bring you more Facebook updates, you'll be amongst the first to see it. Okay, thank you so much for watching.